Hi, I'm Daniel, and I'm a rising junior at Gunn High School. So my starter project is the mini POV, and the reason why I chose the mini POV is because of how rewarding I felt that the results of seeing this work would be, especially because of how visual the project is. So this project works so that when you turn on the battery, the LEDs light up in a specific pattern so that if you move it across a camera taking a picture with long exposure, it should spell out a message or display some kind of pattern. This project works by having a battery power the entire circuit and a bunch of resistors limiting how bright the LEDs are. Also, there's a microcontroller that controls the LED so that it actually blinks out the pattern that you want. Also, there's a port so that you can upload your own patterns to the device so that you can have your own custom messages. I learned how to solder and desolder a lot because I had accidentally dropped a bit of metal into one of the holes, causing it so that I couldn't put through one of the LEDs and causing me to need to learn how to desolder so I can take out the metal from the hole. Also, the battery wires snapped multiple times, so I had to learn how to desolder the wires and also how to resolder it, and because of how fragile the battery wires were, I decided to put electrical tape on top of it so that the connection would be more secure. Thank you.